Just hit the water at Massey Creek. Looks like we got a beautiful morning. Pretty high tide for in here. Neither one of us know what we're doing. Oh, the tail's out of the water, dude. That's a drum. Huge drum. Oh, they're tailing everywhere. Look at them. Thousands of them, dude. You want a 50-pound drum on the first cast? And get the knife and cut that crab in half. Those are all drum. Oh, they're everywhere. Have you ever seen a tailing fish? Just look out there. Pick out a tail that you want to catch. Dude, they're massive. Absolutely massive.
Right between.
It's right there in that calm patch. His whole tail came out of the water. God, I have it in slow speed. I see a wake though. We might have spooked one, but there's one right there. See his tail?
Yeah.
That's a drum.
That's too far, right?
A little out of range of casting, but I think they're right here. Just try to pick out where you. Ooh, there's one right there. Right there. Dude, right there.
Oh, yeah.
Right there. Ooh, alright, real slowly.
Go right in front of him.
Yep,
Right?
just real super slow. They'll feel like a snag. There it is. Hook them hard. Here you go. Hook them hard. Get that hook in them. There you go. Get that hook in them. Alright, oh, there he goes. Alright. He doesn't seem huge. Watch out for that trolling motor, dude. You're rubbing the boat. I'll make sure it's off. Here, go under the trolling motor. Go around me. I would open the bail, dude. Go around me. Let's go around. Go under the trolling motor. Alright, fight him on the other side of the boat. Is he on the bottom? Are you snagged on a rock? Let me get the other side of him.
God.
Did it break you off?
Yeah.
That was a nice fish. Well. We're right in the center of them. Ooh, ooh! Go right there, dude. You see the size of them? Yeah, but we're also spooking it. What if these aren't drones? I mean, 30-inch reds would make wakes like that too. Look how slow and lethargic he is. That shows you that they're mating. He's tired. No fight at all. I don't think he knows he's hooked yet. Dude, did you see the size of this thing? Yeah, he's not happy now. I think he's bigger than you think he is, dude. You thought he was tiny.
Tiny, but...
This pole just so flimsy. Alright, let's go to this side of the boat. Head first, bring him in, first try. Get under his head. Alright, don't break the net, grab his tail. Alright, get him in. Alright, get your line out of the way. Is he bigger than you thought he was? That's a 35-inch fish. Is that a baby redfish? Look at that little thing. Little dinky redfish. That thing's tiny.
Trout size.
You didn't even know you had that trout on.
So little.
That would be easy to get a slam. We just need a little snook now. Chris got a trout. That's cool. Never caught a trout in anything. He's fighting better. You let go of the handle, it just takes off.
I'll let really just rally and it's going out.
That's a good eating size drum. Cast it up here, there might be more.
I'll go I bet you that was swimming at us. Looks like it was a swirl.
This is a good eating size.
25 inches.
Yeah. What's crazy is this one's fighting better than the big one. He's strong. Maybe he's bigger than I thought. This one named Grandma. He actually still knows how to fight. Towing the boat. He still has stripes. He's not that big. God damn, they're tiring. Come in. It's crazy how the big one didn't put up a fight at all. And this little guy's stronger than the big one. It's kind of hard to lift. I can't lift them with one hand. Like, here, jump in my net. You want it?
Kick your knees out like this. Try to scoop it.
Yeah. Little guy. That's the size you thought the first one was.
That's the ones I'm used to fishing. We think they're big ones.
Yeah, these are the little guys. They still got stripes. Ain't big.
So if they have stripes, that means they're young still?
Yeah. That means they're still strong and healthy. Well, from here down is all worms usually. Nice little fish. On the spoon, a little snooky. Baby snook. Hey, we got a slam. That breaks the ice. He's in the boat. Well, the boat got a little baby slam. Hopefully we can upgrade him now. Red? Gonna be a redfish this time. Hang on to the handle. That's a big fish, dude. Better not be a sail cat. Jeez. What you got? Big drum? That's like a drum. That's not a big red. You really think it's a red? Diving like a drum. What? Heck yeah, that's a good fish, dude. Nice fish. That's a good fish. That's a sheep. Hell yeah, we found a good spot. This is cool. I'm excited. I caught a sheepshead here last time too.
Really gonna get it.
Wow, that was a big run. He's bigger than I thought he was. We just have a nice drop off right here with rocks. That is cool. That's a big sheep. Don't fall off. That's a good looking cooler now.
Yeah, everything. We're gonna have a cool picture at the end.
Yeah, that's awesome. And we can sit and relax being anchored. It's nice. That's the cool thing when you find the pocket. You can catch a fish every cast if you know where they are. They're right past the end of the bar. End of the bar is out there. What the hell? Not a sheepshead. The sheepies are on these bars today. He'll be close. I don't know if he's gonna be 12. Ah, I spooked him. That's a big sheep. He's just chilling there. Yep, right here. The drummer piled up in here, dude. About the same size as the one I caught. He was big though.
Shit, I never see.
Oh, he was clear as day. The water is actually crystal clear. It just looks dirty. Oh, right there. Big drum. See him? Big drum right on the surface. Oh, another big drum. Dude, they're everywhere. Oh, that's a tank, dude. Dude, we got giants right here. Damn, needlefish swimming with my bait. And look, oh, dude, those are 50 pounders. They're not on the bottom, they're not going to feed. Oh, right there, big one. These are huge. So they're loaded through here. They put like 5 shrimp on. Yeah, we're better off just throw it out, let it sit on the bottom. One will find it. Oh, dude, they're swimming sideways. I'm just kidding. Yeah, you got a 40 pounder, dude. We're gonna get dragged out into the channel. Yeah, go down. Which side of the boat you want to go on? You can pull him your way if you want. That's a small one, dude. I think it's... You ready?
Barely in his mouth.
Yeah.
Chris is another beast. Gonna wear you out on another one. This ain't a workout.
I can't see nothing with the sun. Oh, there he is. There's another one right on surface. 2 of them. Look. Dude, that's red as hell. They're definitely drum though. Oh, look, another one. Yeah, they're everywhere right here.